Excuse me, guys. May I have your attention, please?
Yeah, sure.
This is Nihal Dubey, and with your kind permission, can I initiate the GD?
Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you, guys, for allowing me to initiate the GD. As you may already know that the topic which has been given us for discussion in this GD by our institute is that which media is more informative, electronic media or print media. So first of all, I would like to tell you something electronic media and print media. The print media is a media where we find the newspapers and magazines early in the morning, and simply we read the newspapers and we got what is running across the world. And in the other hand, if we talk about electronic media, then electronic media is a media where we find the TV news channels, and sometimes people watch the news on their phone, and we know that how the electronic media works. They work very fast, and we can watch the news by sitting at the home at any time. So far as I am concerned about this topic, so I would like to go with electronic media. And why I'm saying therefore, there are bunches of reasons behind it. And you know that electronic media is very convenient for us, because people don't have time to read the newspapers. And you know that if our Prime Minister is giving any kind of lecture anytime, anywhere in the world, then we can watch that lecture when he is giving. And this is the benefit of electronic media. And if we talk about print media, then we have to wait till next day, and print media print only one peak of that place and they write something. But if we want to know detail about that matter, that what Prime Minister is saying, then we can watch. We have option to watch live. And apart from this, electronic media save our time, because if we read newspapers, then it's take a long 2 hours, and it is the maximum, and we spend our time. And beside from this, recently assembly election has finished in UP, and when election is being held, then people were totally depend on electronic media. They were watching that which party is leading, and it happens only in electronic media. And if we follow print media, then we have to wait till next day. So keeping all my facts, I would like to say that electronic media is better than print media. And now I am inviting to all of you to participate in this GD and make this GD more and more successful.
So, Mr. As you said it, electronic media is much better than print media. But to my opinion, print media is much better than electronic media, because you know that print media is means most trustworthy for us, and it cannot be modified or deleted. But if you talk about the electronic media, then in electronic media can be modified or deleted, and in electronic media many fake news will uploaded by the many peoples. By this way, many people get the wrong news, and this is not benefit for any peoples. And if you talk about the print media, then we get accurate news. And if you talk about in means electronic media, with the help of electronic media, we get news at live and at that moment. Then it's not matter we get at moment. If you get information, then we wait sometimes and get information, but we get accurate news. And if you talk about, you also know that through the electronic media is much it is not afforded by the common people. It is afforded by the higher level of peoples. And if we talk about the newspapers, it can be afforded by any peoples. That's why I'm saying that electronic media is not better, print media is better. And if we talk about through the electronic media, our pollution will increase, our pollution will polluted, because papers are made from the cutted trees. But you also know that electronic media things such as many things are made from the plastic, and plastic cannot be disposal, but papers can be easily disposal. And it's benefit for print media, and electronic media cannot be afford for our society. That's why I'm saying that electronic media is not better.
Okay, miss, paper can be disposal, but how we can but we destroy our trees, we cut the trees. And don't you think that if we need, and if you want to know about that what happened before 15 days, 1 month, then which media is good? If you want to know and if you want to watch the video before 1 month, then we have only option of print media. And earlier and much earlier, people don't have other option to know the news. They used to read newspapers because there was no other option. But when people got radio, then radio was being listened in the majority of people. But now we have electronic media, and we should watch the electronic media.
By this way, many
So if
people
I also can interject here.
become laziness. Yeah, of course.
Miss, if you are saying that print media is better, but miss, in India there are many people who are illiterate and they don't know how to read newspaper, and even they are not read books. Then how can they read print media? Even that area there is electronic media is better for them. They listen that news and understand that news. And even in a practical or activity, the teacher also said that if a teacher teach that activity, then you learn a little bit. But if you see that means if you do that activity and see that activity, then you learn very more and more. And if you watch electronic media, then you learn more and more, and there is so beneficial. So suppose in olden days people have not enough money to read, and they to read any school, and they are so illiterate. And nowadays it's help, and they are counted for non-educated. And if print media is in our country, then they are also not able to read newspaper, and it's help electronic media. So I can think that electronic
Okay,
media
Mr.
is
Can I
better.
interject you?
Yeah.
Before you said that in the earlier people that they didn't have any type of digital live telecast, but you know that nowadays many more people don't have more money to buy a TV. But if you know that groups have lots of power, and if you have a group, then absolutely you can buy one money, and you can earn lots of money a year. Absolutely you will be able to buy this newspaper, and newspaper you know also extremely available for it in our country. You know that in the newspaper, if you read every day, absolutely you will find more vocabs, and this vocabs is extremely need for our life.
But
And
if you watch electronic media every day, then you also found vocabs.
if I talk about digital media is not suitable for us, because if you want to see a live news, and if any accident was happened in past, then if any brother your cousins with you, then you can't see live.
Yeah, mister, but if the electronic media is not better, then why the print media upload their channels and apps on electronic media? You may take the example of Aaj Tak, and it is the new means Aaj Tak.
Okay, guys, can I
There is
interject here?
also, excuse me, mister, there is also a newspaper which names Dainik Bhaskar. He uploaded his app on electronic media. Why? Because electronic media is better.
No, I can't suppose it, because you know that every news electronic media is not made by any type of regulations. You know that digital print media is have a own property. It will be made by in the Gorakhpur, and Gorakhpur all type of problems can be acute in.
But mister, you
Okay,
also
Mr. Can I
know
interject here?
Yeah.
Before a while, you were talking about that electronic media is harmful. Because if children will see about accident, then it
We can't wave that pen.
Yeah. But I want to tell you that it is a very convenient for an uneducated person.
Well, guys, now time has to come to summarize this GD. So, with your kind permission, may I summarize it?
Yeah.
Well, guys, thank you for allowing me to summarize this GD. I think that it was a hot controversial topic, and today we have discussed a lot of new things, such as some of our friends, such as Mr. Rahul said that print media is better, that because through the print media we can get each and every news easily, and it can be mistrustworthy, and if any pen happen with any persons, then it cannot be seen, and they cannot hopeless with their pen. And if some of our friends, such as Mr. Alex said that digital media is much better than print media, because through the digital media we can get the live news and many print media things, such as we can get each and everything live, and also print media also afford their things in electronic media to earn more and more anything and etc. thing. Okay friends, thank you a lot to joining us and speaking about this controversial topic. Okay friends, bye.